What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to optimize OBS Studio settings for recording on a low-end PC to get smooth and lag-free recordings. To begin, open OBS Studio on your PC. If you don't already have OBS installed, download it from the official OBS Studio website. Once it's open, navigate to the File menu in the top left corner and select Settings. This is where all the adjustments will be made. First, head over to the Output tab. By default, the output mode is set to Simple. Change this to Advanced to unlock more customization options. This gives you greater control over your recording quality and how OBS handles video encoding. Now, switch to the Recording tab. For the recording type, set it to Standard. This ensures that OBS saves the recordings directly to your chosen directory without any complications. Below that, set the recording format to MP4. MP4 is widely compatible with most video editors and players, making it a reliable choice. However, be aware that MP4 files can become corrupted if OBS crashes during recording. If you're concerned about this, consider using MKV instead, but MP4 remains the standard for ease of use. Next, let's configure the encoder in the Streaming tab. For low-end PCs, set the encoder to X264. This uses your CPU to handle video encoding, which is generally better for systems without a dedicated GPU or when the GPU is already under heavy load. If your system has an NVIDIA GPU with NVENC support, you can experiment with NVENC encoding for better performance. But X264 is a reliable option for low-end systems. For the rate control, select CBR, which stands for Constant Bitrate. This ensures a stable bitrate throughout your recording, preventing fluctuations that can cause lag or inconsistent video quality. Now, set the bitrate according to your PC's capabilities. For a low-end PC, 4500 kilobits per second is a good starting point. This provides decent quality without overloading your system. If you have a mid-spec system, use 7500 kilobits per second for better balance between quality and performance. Moving on, configure the CPU usage preset. This determines how much CPU power is allocated to encoding. The faster the preset, the less of your CPU OBS uses, but the quality may decrease slightly. For low-end PCs, set the preset to Fastest, which minimizes CPU strain while maintaining acceptable quality. Mid-spec users can go with Fast. Next, set the profile to High. This ensures that OBS prioritizes quality in the encoding process. For the tuning setting, choose Ultra-Low Latency. This reduces latency during recording, which is especially useful for fast-paced content like gaming. Finally, there's the X264 Options field. This is where you can input additional custom parameters to fine-tune OBS further. Copy and paste the following options into the field: B-frames 2, B-adapt 0, partitions none, scene cut 0, no weight B, weight P0, sliced threads. Let's break this down briefly. B-frames 2 limits the number of B-frames to 2, reducing processing requirements. B-adapt 0 disables adaptive B-frames to make encoding less demanding. Partitions none disables partitions to lower encoding complexity. Scene cut 0 removes scene cut detection to smoothen transitions. No weight B and weight P0 disable weight and prediction for B and P frames, making the process faster. Sliced threads enables multi-threading encoding, which spreads the workload across multiple CPU cores. Once you've configured everything, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. These settings are tailored to maximize performance on low-end PCs while maintaining smooth, high-quality recordings. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.